This is MC Autapare, ready to recite a poem entitled Peace. I long for peace. I long for happiness. I long for paternal love. I long to cooperate togetherness. I long for family unity. The way of longing distantly diverge daily. At the crack of dawn, everyone feels free, says, thank you, Lord, it's gone. But why shall say this for nothing believe? We ought to celebrate His majestic return at sunset. Dark has fallen, hooray to the same metal cups and plates filled with fatless, saltless, tasteless food. Yuck, I'm fed up. Mama, I don't want to eat. Mama, the food is tasteless. Mama, when shall we have good food? When, Mama? Don't you worry, child. Food is food, eat. Eat to grow up and be strong. Strong to work hard. Strong to save this sinking boat. My drunken father walks in, seriously on his drunken face. Hush or quiet, the roaring lion, violently on Mama, with blows, kicks, and punches. Summing up but must be beating on us. Papa, put aside that beer that ruins your health. Put aside that cigarette that ruins your health. We are a senior priority. It is used to back pits. It is used to cheer us up. Together we shall unite, and together we shall stand. Thank you.